I am not gonna let this week's weigh-in define me. I'm not gonna let it defeat me. I'm not gonna let my inner critic get her claws into me. So I was up 0.5 kg and I was so annoyed. I had this big pity party for about an hour. I was so frustrated. I thought I did all these things right. And then something inside me just went, no, we're not doing this. We're not living in reaction to this. I will alchemize this frustration into action. And so, as always, I've got my 3 questions that I ask myself at every weigh-in. Number 1, why do I think I got this result? The answer is too much work. I spend too much time at this very desk doing work on the computer, being too sedentary, didn't get enough exercise, and didn't do enough food planning. And what that meant, on the day before my weigh-in, I had 3 pieces of rye bread. I was just so tired and I just really wanted it. Some people may think some kind of bread is great, sourdough, just no. And it really bloated me out. So I wonder if I put all that weight on in the 24 hours before the weigh-in. So what are the changes I am going to make this week, which is question 2? Okay, exercise. I'm doing something quite radical here because I like doing a lot of computer work in the morning. I am moving my exercise from the afternoon to the morning to make sure it gets done. And I'm going to set aside half an hour for cooking at 4 p.m. every day. Question 3, what do I need to say no to make sure these changes happen? I need to say no to work ruling everything, work being continually more important than everything else. I feel nervous about it because I've got things to do, I've got deadlines to meet, but it's an experiment for 1 week. So let's see. Finally, if you are interested in developing a bit of this fieriness and bullshiness with your own mistakes, then I would like to invite you to be a beta tester. I am putting together some strategies, some tools that anyone can use, no matter what program they're following for weight loss, strategies to improve their mindset. So that when they make mistakes, or when you have a week like this and a weigh-in like this, you can do something about it. You can grab it by the scruff of the neck and say no. So if you're interested, then please go to theshiftinside.com/beta. Link is in the description, and see how you can get on board. See if it's something that you'd be interested in. I would love to hear from you. And I will prevail this week. I will prevail.